How to reconcile GoCardless payments in Xero. In this quick video, I'll show you how to reconcile GoCardless payments in Xero. First, log into your Xero account and go to the Bank Accounts section. Select the account linked with your GoCardless payouts. Now, head to your GoCardless dashboard and confirm which customer payments have been settled into your bank account. Then, in Xero, click Reconcile beside each payment. You'll see a match suggestion from Xero. If it matches the GoCardless transaction, just click OK to reconcile. If there's no automatic match, click Find and Match, search for the invoice or payment manually, and confirm it. Remember, Xero records GoCardless fees separately, so make sure to add a transaction line for the fee if needed. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled your GoCardless payments in Xero. Thanks for watching.